Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss a new chapter, redox reaction for class plus 1. So what is this redox reaction? Redox word contains two subwords, red and ox. Red comes from reduction and ox come from oxidation. So a reaction is said to be redox reaction if there is a reduction and oxidation simultaneously. That reaction is a redox reaction. So what is this reduction and oxidation? We will understand it. First thing is types of redox reactions. First is intermolecular redox reaction. Intermolecular redox reaction is that reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place in different compounds. In one compound oxidation and in second compound reduction. That type of reaction is intermolecular redox reaction. For example, we have ZNO plus carbon monoxide to give zinc plus CO2. So from zinc oxide to zinc, that is reduction, but from carbon monoxide to carbon dioxide, that is oxidation. We can clearly see reduction and oxidation takes place in different compounds. Now this reaction is a intermolecular redox reaction. Second type is intramolecular redox reaction. Intramolecular redox reaction involves reduction and oxidation within same compound. There is oxidation and reduction within same compound. For example, if we dissociate KClO3, we obtain potassium chloride plus oxygen. Now, let us understand if there is oxidation and reduction within a same compound. Here charge of chlorine is +5 and here is -1. Charge of oxygen here is -2, but here is 0. So from +5 to -1, this is a decrease in oxidation number, this is reduction. But from -2 to 0, increase in charge, that is oxidation. So this is intramolecular redox reaction, oxidation and reduction within a same compound. Oxidation of oxygen takes place and reduction of chlorine takes place, but the compound is same. Two different elements, but compound is same. This is intramolecular redox reaction. Third type is auto redox reaction. Auto means self, in which oxidation and reduction of same element takes place. Oxidation and reduction of a same element. For example, we have this reaction. Charge here chlorine -1, here Cl2. Charge here is 0, but here is +1 and here is -1. So from 0 to +1, that is increase in oxidation number, increase in charge, that is oxidation. But from 0 to -1, decrease in charge, that is called a reduction. So basically we have three types of redox reaction: intermolecular, intramolecular and auto redox reaction. Self reduction and oxidation of a same element, that is auto redox reaction. Next, types of redox reaction on the basis of container. Direct redox reaction means if oxidation and reduction takes place in same container, same beaker. Both reactions are taking place in a same beaker. But we have one more type of redox reaction, that is if oxidation and reduction takes place in different beaker. In one beaker there is oxidation, in another beaker reduction. But individual reaction we will call oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. If we sum up, then we will call that is a redox reaction. Sum of oxidation half reaction in different beaker and reduction half reaction in different beaker. The sum total of that reaction is called indirect redox reaction. In indirect redox reaction, electron will travel a long distance, but in the direct redox reaction, electron will travel a short distance. So these are the 5 basic types of redox reaction. Now let us understand what is reduction and oxidation. In 10th standard, we have discussed oxidation, addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen in any element, that is called oxidation, and reverse of it, removal of oxygen and addition of hydrogen, that is a redox reaction, that is a reduction. But that is a old concept, we don't need to accept it in +1. In +1 we will discuss the latest definition of oxidation and reduction. Latest is In terms of electron, if any element loses electron, loss of electron by any element is called oxidation, and gain of electron by any element is called reduction. For example, two electrons are lost by zinc. As a result, zinc ion is formed. Now this is a oxidation of zinc takes place. Here copper plus 2 has gained 2 electrons. As a result, copper is formed. Gain of electron is called a reduction. And there is a third concept also of oxidation and a reduction, that is oxidation with respect to oxidation number. Oxidation is increase in oxidation number of any element, and reverse of it is a reduction. Decrease in oxidation number of any element is called a reduction. Now what is this oxidation number? In next video we will discuss it. That is the important point, important thing to understand it. This is the intro of a redox reaction. Thank you.